Hi guys, welcome to my channel Yellow Blue Glam. This is Tejal and today's video is going to be about anti-aging skincare. The product that I have brought for you guys today is from Kaya. Kaya is a known brand for all the skincare products, but the product that I have brought is Kaya Youth Oxy Infusion Night Cream. So this is basically mainly for oxygen infusion into your skin. So with age, your skin actually loses its oxygen from the cells, and because of which you get certain problems like dark spots, pimples, dullness, and uneven skin tone. So for all these problems, when you cross 30, if you want to have a youthful and radiant skin, you have to give a little extra care to your skin. And this is one of the skincare products that I have been using since a very long time. And the price of this product is around 399 rupees if you purchase it from Amazon. And right now there is also discount going on the Kaya website. You can get these products at 40% discount. So this is the consistency of this product. You can apply this product daily before going to bed. It's a very lightweight formula, and you can see already it is given so much moisture to my skin. I will just show you a close-up. So at bedtime, whatever skincare you do, just wash your face with a good face wash, and after washing your face and cleansing your face, you can apply this product before going to bed. You might think that why does your skin need an oxygen based night cream? So with time, the oxygen levels in your skin cells drop by 25%, leading to dull skin. An oxygen based night cream boosts oxygen to repair and rejuvenate your skin overnight. And the main ingredients of this cream are oxygen boost complex, vitamin E, and shea butter. And the benefits it's going to give you is it will remove the dullness, treat pigmentation, erase the dark spots, and also even out your skin tone. This is a non-oily product for all skin types and crafted by dermatologist. It quickly absorbs in your skin, so as you saw, once I applied it on my skin, it has quickly absorbed into my skin. So I really like this product and would like to recommend to all people who are really concerned about the anti-aging signs that we are having. You can definitely go for this product. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon if you want to receive updates of my new videos. Also, I'm open to suggestions. If you want me to review any of the products, you can please mention in the comment box and I will definitely review those products as well. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.